Take the given points minus 7, minus 2 and minus 4, 5 as x1, y1 and x2, y2. We are trying to find the ratio, so we take the ratio as k is to 1. Use section formula. Substitute the values for x1, y1 and x2, y2. It is given that minus 5, p is the point of division. So equating the x coordinates, we get brackets minus 4k minus 7 by brackets k plus 1 equal to minus 5. Similarly, we can equate the y coordinates also. The first equation can be solved to obtain the value of k. So we get k equal to 2, which means the ratio is 2:1 for internal division. Substitute k equal to 2 in the second equation to solve for p.